It has arrived. Dun dun. Alright, so we got the hitch, and we're gonna need 17 and a 12. These are two 17s. Take off that. And then the gas tank one here is a 12. And then on the other side, we're gonna have to put bolts here. Then there's the gas tank one there. And so we'll see what happens. Right, got it on. So this side, we put the tow hook back on with the 17 millimeters. And then the gas tank strap fits on top of that. And then this side, we just got the gas tank strap. And then I'm gonna put 2 bolts in those 2 holes. And be good to go. And then do the wiring. Got these grade A bolts. I'm gonna try and slip them in. Can do that. And fit a socket up there. Perfect. So I used some of these 7/16 grade 8 bolts and nuts and washers and used it for those 2 only. Using a stereo connector harness actually fits the trailer harness plug in the back, which here's the pinout for it. So if you use just the rear speaker one and do this. All right, we got the hitch installed and the trailer lights wired up. So what we've got on this side, you take off this panel here, and then here you have this plug, which is for the trailer wiring lights. And I have the diagram earlier showing all these wires. So I had one problem where the yellow one, which is the right blinker, so it was like a green yellow wire in there, for some reason wasn't getting power to the blinker, so I had to run a whole separate wire, which is this one, and it's going down, and then I have it run to the actual light. And so if you take off that screw there, and then there's another screw right here, this whole light comes off, and on the plug behind it you'll find the same green yellow wire that is over here that for some reason doesn't work. It's the same color as that one, but so I just ran a wire to bypass it. And then yeah, now we have trailer lights, and I got the ground from this plug, which is easy to find. It's black on this side of the plug, and then on the car side it's white with a black stripe. Yeah, this one. So that's the ground. And then yeah, just have this guy, and probably hide it in here and unplug all this stuff whenever not in use and just throw it in the car. And that's the trailer.